This is the third of 4 videos showing how the spreadsheet Excel might be used to explore this Ulster Rugby dataset. And question 5 is, what is the most popular birthday month? And here I need this column, date of birth, month. A 1 in this column corresponds to a birthday in January, and that's a birthday in February, birthday in March, and so on. The spreadsheet command to use here is count if. And I'll start with a table. I'll put the months here and the count here. So what I need here is the numbers 1 to 12. And the quick way of doing this is just put the first 2 in, select them, and then fill down to the bottom. Okay, let's now fill the second column in. I'll select cell F51 and I need to insert the count if command here, and that is in formulas. It's a statistical function, so I need more functions, statistical, and then come down to count if. And if I click inside the brackets, it tells me that 2 arguments are needed, the range and the criteria. So I'll start with the range. That's the range of months that I'm looking at. So all I need to do is to select the numbers in that column. There we are. Then insert a comma. And next, the criteria. Well, that's the month that we're looking for. We're looking to count how many 1s there are in this column. So I simply click in cell E51, press return, and the number that it gives me back is a 2. So there are 2 occurrences of the number 1 in this column. In other words, 2 of the players have birthdays in January. So what we need to do now is to take that command and copy paste it into all the other blank cells. Unfortunately, fill down doesn't work with this particular command, but what I can do is copy it, and let me just paste it in here, and let's have a look at what we've got, because there is a mistake. With this cell selected, let's come up to the formula bar, and you can see that E52 is the criteria, and that is correct. I'm counting the number of 2, so I would be expecting that. But what has happened to the range? It has gone up from E2 to E48 to E3 to E49. So I didn't want the range to be updated. I wanted that to be fixed. And the way of doing that is to insert a $sign. So I'm going to go back into cell F52 and I'm going to insert a $sign just before the 2 and again just before the 48, and then press enter. And now if I copy the formula and paste it into all of the blank cells below, well, it hasn't worked. Let's try again. I'll copy and then paste. That's more like it. And now each of these formulas do correspond to the number opposite, but if you just choose one at random, let's take that one again, you'll see that the range has remained E2 to E48. So what the table seems to suggest is that the most popular birthday month is month 10, October. The least popular birthday month with 0 players is month 12, and that is December. Now we can actually plot these values. If I select the table and then go into the Insert menu at the top. I come across, and the recommended chart is this one, which is a bar chart. So I'll select bar chart, make it slightly bigger, and you can see that there is a bar chart of the months of the year along the bottom and the frequencies along the vertical. If I select that and go into Add Chart Elements, I can add the horizontal axis label, the vertical axis label, and I can go in here and change the title to anything that's suitable.